Today, we're diving into 5 amazing facts about one of nature's tiniest marvels, the hummingbird. Let's go! Fact 1. Hummingbirds can flap their wings up to 80 times per second. That's so fast, it's almost invisible to the human eye. Number 2. They're the only birds that can fly backwards. Yep, hummingbirds are nature's little aerial acrobats. Fact 3. Some hummingbirds weigh less than a penny. Seriously, they're lighter than a coin. Here's number 4. Hummingbirds have the fastest metabolism of any bird on Earth. They need to eat constantly just to keep that tiny engine running. And finally, their hearts can beat over 1,200 times per minute. That's faster than any other warm-blooded animal. Nature is full of surprises. And now, you know, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing facts.